What are you doing with your toys?
They're trying to race.
They're trying to race?
Yeah, trying to race.
Who's winning?
Everyone.
Everyone's winning?
Yeah, everyone. Everyone will win.
Can you show me the horse? Julia?
But they're racing now.
Where's the horse?
Yeah, I raced.
Oh no! Who won?
On this one,
What is it?
he won.
What is it? Julia, babe.
What?
What kind of animal is it? Oh, then the pig?
Yeah,
And then
it's a goose.
the goose?
Yeah, this one is a goose.
What is that?
It's a donkey.
Wow, good job. What is that?
He raced.
What
it's
is
a
that?
horsey.
Oh,
What's
that
this?
one? What's that one?
It's a goat.
What's a what?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Just saying it.
It's a rooster. Cuckoo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Who won?